Hey everybody, it's me Casino. I'm doing a live recording today because my computers don't want to work currently, and my phones don't want to upload anything onto the computers that I have. So I'm just going to be doing a live recording. Today I am making a soundproof barrier for my new room that I'm going to. I'll be in my new room very soon. And I have filmed a room tour kind of thing that will at some point be on YouTube. But until then, we're just going to record because I need to record twice a week. And like I said, and so today is Saturday and I don't want to waste any more time. So anyway, today's video is a DIY biohacking video, how to create a soundproof in your own bedroom. Yes, I will be moving into a bedroom in which I'll be sharing a wall with my roommate. It's very thin, and I'm trying to create some kind of sound barrier between us. So instead of spending any money on things that like I personally can't afford at the moment, I just had my roommates collect all the 8 cartons in our house. And so we are going to be making a soundproof barrier with 8 cartons. What I have for that is, of course, the 8 cartons. I have my handy dandy hot glue here. I got a bunch of cardboard just from the house, whatever, as the base, and I have my scissors. So what we do, or what I am assuming, and I'm trying this out for the first time, don't really know what I'm doing, I did a little bit of research online, but you just kind of cut this bottom part out here, like so.